Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini jets Delta Boeing 717-200 in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, this model comes packaged in this really nice little presentation box. And as you can see on the front here, we have an image of the plane. Let's get a nice closer look. And this is identical to the plane found inside. Let's have a nice look at it now. It also has here on the front the model of the plane, which once again is the Boeing 717-200, and the airline it flew with, or in this case still flies with, Delta. If we then move to the back of the box, we have another image of the plane, this time from the other side, and then here some information about what a Gemini jet actually is. Now if we turn the box back to the front, you can see here it says look inside, and if you pop open the window, there you go, you can see the model looking really nice right there. So you can have it on display really easily without having to get it out. Looking really nice. Look at it from a couple of different angles. Really nice. And then here on the lid, we have some information about the plane. At the top here, we have a little history of the Boeing 717-200. And then on this lower section, we have some specification information, such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And then over here, we have some other information you may like to know, such as cruising speed, range, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a closer look at the model itself. It just pops open really easily. As you'll see, it will come packaged in two little pieces of plastic. Just take off the top, like so. And there you have it, the Gemini jets Delta Boeing 717-200 in 400 scale. And look at it in all of its wonderful detail. So let's have a look at some of it. Start off really nice and easily with the wings. You can see the flaps and ailerons really nice and clearly, and that is true on both wings. Moving to the undersides of the wings, you can see it's the same level of detail all across this wonderful model. You can see the nice detailed landing gear, and they do in fact have rollable wheels, as you can see. It rolls very nicely. Moving back to the inside, you can see the front landing gear, and we've got a nice big Delta written on the bottom of it with Delta's logo. And as you can see, where the L would be, there's actually a little hole, which is for a display stand if you had one, making it really nice and easy to display this wonderful looking model. Moving back to the underside again, you see you've got a little nice Gemini Jets logo. And as you can probably tell, this plane does not have jet engines on its wings. And instead, it has these rear-mounted jet engines here. And as you can see, they are still looking nice and detailed on this particular model. And then moving to the stabilizers. On the tail, you can see once again, it has a more unique design, with this having a T-tail rather than the standard, vertical and then horizontal stabilizers here. But on them, you can still see the elevators and rudders typically found on the stabilizers, and it's looking really nice. Here's a look from another angle. Still, same level of detail on both sides. Now let's have a closer look at the livery of this plane. And as you can see, it's got Delta's livery, and they've got their current livery, which is currently known as Upward and Onward, and was introduced in 2007. You can see it's got Delta written on it here with their logo, as well as on the stabilizer having Delta's logo as well. This is true of both sides. Again, got their logo there, and Delta and their logo here. Now we can look at some of the other details on this plane. Under here, if you get really close, it actually says B17200, obviously the model of this plane. And then here on this door there, you can see the SkyTeam logo, which is the airline alliance that Delta is a part of, and you'll also see it on the other side of the model here, this time in front of the door rather than on it. It has the United States flag on both sides, as Delta is an American airline, as well as it has its registration of N947AT, and we'll get into a little bit more about this plane shortly. Well, let's have a look about the model of this plane, the 717. Now, the 717 clearly is a twin-jet, narrow-body airliner, but it was originally marketed by McDonnell Douglas as the MD-95 until the company eventually merged with Boeing, and it was renamed the 717 to stick with Boeing's numbering system. And it was actually the final plane developed by McDonnell Douglas before they merged with Boeing. So this is the last remnants of the McDonnell Douglas company, but it's still a lovely piece of aviation engineering. It began production back in 1998 and ended in 2006, but many of these planes still remain in service today, primarily with the aforementioned Delta Airlines. I believe something like 70% of all 717s still flying are flown by Delta. Now, this plane once again has a registration of N947AT, and this plane entered Delta service in 2015, but before that, it was originally delivered to Air Tran Airways in 1999, and it flew with them until they ceased operations in 2014, and the plane was transferred over to Delta, in which it still flies today. So you can find this plane still flying the skies of America to this day. Now, this model has a wingspan of about 7.1 centimeters or 2.7 inches, and is about 9.4 centimeters long or 3.7 inches. So overall, it's a wonderful, wonderful model for any fan of the 717, fans of Delta Airways, collectors of aviation models, as the 717, has a much more unique design with its rear-mounted engines and T-tail. So overall, it's a really, really nice looking model, super detailed, super clean. So overall, it would be great in anyone's collection as a display piece, and it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.